Hi guys, so you need to get out your science notebook. You're going to take these notes in your notebook. Today we're going to talk about acids and bases and pH. So acids and bases are two special kinds of chemicals. Whether a liquid is an acid or a base depends on the type of ions that are in it. If it has a lot of hydrogen ions, it's an acid. And if it has a lot of hydroxide ions, it's a base. And here's our pH scale. We talk about just some common things to help you understand whether something's acidic or basic. So an acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. When an acid mixes with water, the hydrogen ions separate from the acid, and they combine with water to produce hydronium. So here, these H's are your hydrogen ions. And when they are in water, you get a chemical reaction that produces an acid. A base is a substance that produces hydroxide ions when dissolved in water. When bases mix with water, the hydroxide separates and forms hydroxide ions. So here you put a chemical into water and you get this hydroxide ion. A hydroxide is an OH minus. So pH is a measure of the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. The more hydrogen atoms, the lower the pH. So it's considered very acidic. The more hydroxide ions, the higher the pH. So that's where we come for basic. So our acidics are lower on the scale and our basics are higher on the scale. Our pH scale is used to indicate how acidic or basic a solution is. So our scale goes from 0 to 14. Acids are pHs below 7, and bases are pHs above 7. 7 is our middle. It is neither acidic or basic. It is considered neutral. In nature, there are many strong acids and bases. Some are very dangerous and used by poisons by insects and animals. And some are helpful. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges have citric acid in their juice. That's why they taste sour. In our body, acids and bases are very important. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which breaks down our food and aids in digestion. And our muscles produce lactic acid, which is the thing that makes your muscles sore when you exercise a lot. We measure pH with 3 different things: pH indicators, pH test strips, and pH meters. pH indicators are compounds that change color at different pH values when it reacts with an acid or a base. We can add an indicator to a solution, and that solution changes colors as shown. Okay, and we match to our color scale. We use this all the time. I test the pH almost every other day in our system. pH testing strips are also an easy way to test pH. The strip contains an indicator that changes to a variety of colors depending on the pH value. All you do is dip the stick into a solution and then match to a list of colors on the container. pH meters are the most accurate way to measure pH. It is an electronic instrument with an electrode that is sensitive to a hydronium ion concentration. So it's looking for those H's in our solution. Okay, we're going to watch the video tomorrow. So for right now, I know I gave you a lot of notes. Make sure they're all in your notebook, and we will pick up here the next time I see you. Have a great day.